Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ranch dressing at home. To begin, gather your core ingredients: 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and fresh herbs like parsley and chives. Having your ingredients at room temperature helps them combine smoothly. This simple recipe will yield approximately 1 1/2 cups of creamy, flavorful dressing, perfect for any occasion. Next, let's create the perfect seasoning blend. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon each of dried parsley, dried dill, and dried chives. Add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For a little extra zing, consider adding a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper to your mix. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a medium bowl, combine your mayonnaise with the dry seasoning blend. Whisk these thoroughly until well incorporated. Gradually pour in the buttermilk, stirring constantly until you reach your preferred consistency. Some prefer it thicker, others thinner. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate the dressing for at least 30 minutes to allow all the wonderful flavors to fully meld. Your delicious homemade ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic with fresh salads, as a dip for crisp vegetables, or drizzled over baked potatoes. For best results, store any leftover dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 7 days. This recipe is also very easy to scale up, so feel free to double or triple it for parties.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.